Now we're rolling.
Oh, yeah.
Ladies, he's single. Hello?
I'll lead you to the youth group first.
Huh?
I'll lead you to the youth group first.
What?
You want to go to the youth group first and then get drinks after so we have more time?
No, because it's 6:30. Doesn't the group start at 7?
No, it starts at 6. We've already started.
Go earlier rather than later, otherwise they'll start.
Train's not starting.
Press the button down harder. Hold the clutch all the way in.
There we go. Bye. No, not the truck, not the truck.
When I saw you passing, I was like, man, I knew it. When I saw you pull over and the guy pull over, I was like, I knew it.
Bro, when I saw you as blinker, I was like, frick. I don't know what he said though. I'm sure it'll pop up in the video, but I was like, I can't hear you. I don't know. I could watch him say the word fast, but that was all I got.
It's 25. I don't know.
I did 50.
Yeah, I don't know what you were expecting there.
I was like, I hope Trent doesn't follow me. Yeah, turn to reserve, right?
Off.
Where's the off?
Flighters?
It's PRI. It's RES, PRI, and on.
Off.
There's no off.
Oh, wait.
Bet.
Ow.
Bet. Bet.
Okay. Wait, no, there's...
Because PRI would be prime. And I feel like reserve would be RES.
Yeah, that's weird. Oh, maybe it's a secondary tank thing. I can't remember.
Just secondary take things. Wow, people just leave their windows down?
Dustin, Grant's like, I could steal like anything.
No, dude, the other day I was delivering for Amazon, and for Amazon they have like a service where they can deliver right into your garage. Like you give them a Bluetooth code and they'll deliver in your garage. And there was a Corvette sitting right in the garage, keys on the like front of the car, and I was like, man, I won't have many chances to drive a Corvette in my life, but this is certainly one of them. Oh, if I wanted to go to jail.
No,
No.
but I was about to say,
Hello.
you might be able to convince Dustin, but it's kind of broken right now, so I don't know.
Convince Dustin what?
To let you drive a Corvette.
Oh. Shout out Dustin. Shout out Dustin's dad for real.
Not his dad either.
Shout out Dustin's
Aunt
shout out Dustin's rich aunt for real.
for dying. Thanks.
Okay, that's enough.
Great, that's enough. Thanks.
Welcome to another episode of Shopping in Idaho. We have so many Pop-Tarts. I know someone who would love this wall. Wow, that's fantastic. Beautiful.
Also, burritos from Idaho staple.
An Idaho staple. Milkshakes in a grocery store?
Have you never seen these?
Wait, have you never had these?
No, because they have eggs.
Oh. One time I had these and then it didn't blend at all, so I just drank milkshake soup. And then it was the worst. Okay, whatever you can get, I'll eat in solidarity with you.
Drinks are over this way. No, the drinks are on one side.
What? No, we should go back the other way.
What are you doing?
I don't know. Where are you going?
All that's direction is cleaning supplies. And
No,
beer.
I know some stuff back there. Should we drink a Kickstart before we go to youth group? I think yes.
It's really weird. I saw these two like 80-year-old like truck drivers, and they're like, you know what's so good?
What?
Bangs. They're so good. They'll get you pumped up. I was like, you're like 80 years old.
And they said correct.
Yeah.
I am 80 years old. That's why I need a bang to wake up in the morning.
Oh, dang, they're my flavor.
They're out of your flavor. What's your flavor?
Monster. Mango.
Monster mango. Have you tried fruit punch? Or Aussie lemonade? Those are the best.
Oh.
Am I actually about to drink a Ghost at 7 p.m.?
You know, you
I
could
feel like
try.
that's not the
Try
wisest.
the V8s.
No, I like V6s.
The V8s are pretty good. They're like
Oh, the fruit stuff.
the fruit stuff. I like the fruit. They're right here.
Hey Trent, do 5 push-ups.
I'm all hot and sweaty already. Pomegranate. I also like the mango.
Champagne glass with a Martinelli.
Oh.
Martinelli.
Weird.
What if I brought a Martinelli to youth group?
You're like, hey guys. Take off the wrapper and you're like, that would
I'm
be funny.
developing to be a
Alcoholic.
chronic Martin Holic.
I think that'd be kind of fun.
Martin Holly. Well, it's whatever. Trent, what are you getting?
I was probably
I'll
gonna
just
get
go get like a sugar milk, honestly.
Yeah, that doesn't sound bad.
You want to get a sugar milk?
Yeah, other side.
Look, they make coffee for dogs.
Word. Jane cats.
Trent, I love that. Oh,
You couldn't start it? No.
no, I'm just thinking about passing that truck.
Oh, my word. I was like, great. That was too fast to get.
Were you like, oh yeah, he's gonna pull over?
Huh?
Were you like, oh yeah, he's for sure gonna pull over?
Yeah, I was like, I was like, man, at least in town I drive respectfully. And then you get pulled over by this guy. He's like, hey, slow down. Stop being disrespectful. I'm like,
I was like,
called
oh,
it.
I forgot. This isn't California. That man probably knows my family, and he probably has a gun
Yes,
within
he does.
reach.
Within fingers.
Within. With, you know, in the time that it says me, it takes me to say, I'm from California. He already has his hand on his gun, for sure.
You're right. You're right. You saw it in your eyes.
He's on my eyes. All right, bro. Sorry. Oh no.
Oh, the milk. Someone. Struggling.
It's thinking you were scanning twice. Haha.
Only my gloves work with it. Stupid, you haven't been. Mom's paying for this.
Mom's paying for it? You have mom's card on your phone?
Transaction.
That's called fraud.
No.
Ah, watch
I'm
this,
her
watch this,
son.
watch. Got him.
Oh.
Hey, that's for breaking the wasabi.
Fair enough, $4.
Yeah. I was like, oh gosh.